episode of Where to Wheelock. We are in Chelsea and we are going to be in the center of Chelsea. We're at 18th and 8th Street. So one of the things that I love about this area of Chelsea is that the buildings are lower. So even if you're in a building on the second floor, like what we're going to see, you still get a lot of sunlight, which is fabulous, right? Who doesn't love sunlight? So this building behind me, it is 300 West 18th Street. It was built in 2006. I love to call it the little glass box because that's practically what it is. You'll see from the inside, it's a lot of light, and if you are looking for something, this is a great way to get brand new in the historic center where not a lot of buildings are being changed. So can't wait to show you it. Let's go. Welcome to your home at 300 West 18th Street. All right, so something fabulous about this unit. It's it's a part of 4 units in one building. So each floor has its own unit. This one is going to be the biggest because it's on the second floor, right? It keeps coming in from there. And it has 2 private outdoor spaces. So this is going to be your primary bedroom with outdoor space number 1. And it has a 5-piece bath. They have a lot of stonework in this building. In the bathroom. So stone's here, you have stone in the shower, and then a wonderful walk-in closet, which who doesn't need that in New York City? It goes all the way back here on this side too. It's quite fabulous. Oh, they have fabulous pieces in there. But let's keep going. One of the nice things about lofts is a lot of times you have access to your trash right in the unit. Just makes life easy for those that don't want to take it out or take it downstairs or anywhere. Closet, and you have outdoor space number 2. It's great. It has water, it has electric out here, and of course you can grill or do whatever you feel like doing because it's your space. So why not? Plant, if you have a green thumb. I don't, so you know. Then you have yet another bath. And another bedroom. Peloton room. The Peloton is the way of COVID. Everything has changed. Now every second bedroom is a Peloton room / office. But why wouldn't you want to work out to this view? So you can go all the way back, right? So it connects to the bedroom and then it connects to the living room on the other side. It's a great space. Let's go back to it. Everything is individual nests. Now, to the main attraction. So this is an entertainer's apartment, and this is why. I mean, if you want to be living in your glass box in the middle of the city, in the middle of all of the energy, it does not get any better than this apartment. You have the open, right, your kitchen into your living, dining area. You have a corner unit. It gets so much light even though you're on the second floor. You have the access to the outdoor space from the living room as well. Everything is built in, your fridge, your freezers, your dishwasher, etc. And then you have a nice little bonus washer dryer as well in the unit. Yeah, I mean, we're on the corner of 18th and 8th. The city is your oyster. So welcome to Chelsea Luxury. Hope you like it. In Chelsea, you have to be sure, especially during the spring and summer, to come over to Pier 57. It's at 16th Street, all the way west on the pier. They've taken 80,000 square feet and they've added a beautiful park over here on the water. It's going to be awesome. It is so lively here. I feel like you can probably feel the energy through the camera, but be sure to come over here and check it out. And of course, we have to find a fabulous Manhattan in the area, so we're going to try out the one at City Winery. You can grab a glass of wine or grab a Manhattan. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's pretty good. So City Winery is over here. It's right at Pier 57. Come here, grab a Manhattan. You can grab a flight of different wines. Try it out. The food looks amazing. I cannot wait to get some, and I hope you enjoy. If you like this episode, I would appreciate if you'd share it, like it, subscribe, let us know where you think we should go next. And of course, for all of your real estate needs, we at the Wheelock team are here to help you.